Hey there, folks. Wanted to talk to you about this book writing assignment. You should have seen on the site already the assignment of people to chapters. Something like 20%, 20 of you, 60% or so of the class has created an account on Pressbooks.com. The others of you have not responded to my email that I had sent out from Pressbooks.com that was inviting you to create an account. You need to do so. You're not going to be able to do the things that I'm going to talk about in this video about how to work with Pressbooks.com. So we're going to use this site to create this book. And you're going to each write a chapter, and I'm going to write several chapters, and then I'm going to get it published. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited about this because I know the quality of writing that you guys do, and I know that you're going to be excited about getting this out too. And you'll be out there, and you'll be able to say, "I wrote a chapter in a book." So it's all good as far as I can tell. So what I'm going to do is take you through how to use this site. It's pretty similar to working with BK4A because the editing process is basically the same. There's some pretty good tools for writing. You're basically writing HTML, so and that's what you're doing on BK4A. So the editing tools should be pretty familiar in the whole editing process. So let me just take you through, and we can see how it works. So here's the site, and it's Pressbooks.com. There's also Pressbooks.org. That's a related organization, but this is actually the production site. So you'll log in, and I'm S.A. Moore, and so I'm going to log in. Let me log in as my wife first. So you log out by going up here, and then go here, and J. Moore, and there. All right. So sure, save password. I assigned her to a chapter just like I assigned you folks to a chapter. And again, it's just the people who've created an account on this site. So here's the book. Right now, the tentative title, To Google or Not to Google. It might change to something like When to Google or Not to Google, but this is close enough for now. So go to the dashboard, and here are the chapters right there, as they are right now. There will be more later, but these are the ones that you guys are mostly involved with. Her chapter, and I wish this was different, but it doesn't indicate on here, as far as I can tell, which of these are your chapters. Now, since she's not doing that chapter, if she clicks on it, it says you can't edit this. But this is the chapter that she has been assigned to. So you click on it, and then here's the text. So the first thing you're going to do is to go over here to this icon that says Show Hide Kitchen Sink and click on it, and you get this second row of icons. So then you can do whatever. So put in big interesting heading, and then you can go here and make that. Guess what? That, and then I want to type about 3 things, and you go here, 1, 2, 3, highlight those, and then make that a list. So there they are, and then continue, blah blah blah. All right, so now these are all going to stay privately published and private for now. Later we'll see to change this, but we're going to keep this just so you and I can see these chapters. So before you after you've made some changes, say update so it saves. Pending review public. I do not know what the heck is going on with that. For now, we're going to pretend that doesn't matter. If I find something else, to tell you, I'll tell you later. Also, I have not used this site before except for some personal stuff. I've never used it with a group of people, so there's going to be group situations like this where she's not the editor like I am. She's just an author just like you are. We're just going to have to see how this all works. So it's saved right there. It keeps track of the revisions over time, so if you make a mistake, you can always go back to something that you had before. And in general, just keep on writing here. At the end, when you're done with this chapter, that's when you'll post this for sort of a public record on BK4A later. But for now, do all your writing here within Pressbooks.com. So there it is. It's saved, and always go back to Dashboard My Sites. Okay, that's where you can go back. That's where you'll start, and then you say, "Oh, I want to go back and edit something else." Click on Dashboard, go back to your chapter, and there it is. Okay, so once she's done, when you're done, oh, you can edit your profile. Make sure you do that. Put in your name, first and last name. That way, it'll look better in the table of contents, etc. So make sure you do that at some point. But having done that, go back to Dashboard, and when you're done, log out. Okay, simple as that. So if you have any questions about how to use this site or about the process, please be sure to post questions in the comments that are with this class post. All right, good luck.